If I can find my way out of here, then I'll be back. Another time, another day for part 2 of my visit here. So today was a pretty full day. So I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it. Please follow, subscribe, and hit that like button. And I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. Have you guys seen the crazier Foot Locker before? Look at this place. There's so many people. So yeah, you have a lot of people just buying and buying and buying. Lots of money comes to Dubai. That might explain why you don't have any kind of taxes here, whether it's property or income taxes. They're heavily rely on tourism. So you can see it. Out of all the places that I visited during COVID, I can honestly say this is the one that feels the least affected by that. Look at these humongous Christmas decorations. They say everything is big in Texas. I will also say everything is big in Dubai. Hey, look at this. So guys, I'm leaving the mall. It's very loud in here. I'm gonna go outside right now to take a look at the water slides or the water jets, whatever is out here. It's just too crowded here now. So I can't really provide, can't really do much talking here. Just take it all in. Check this out. Look how crowded this place is, guys. You see this? It's huge. So many people. So I'm stepping out right now. You can take a look. No, nobody. Oh, apparently nobody else outside from now on. You have to go a different direction. We have to go this way. Hopefully this door is open. Yes, it is. So just like that, guys, we are outside the mall. And you see they have, you know, restaurants after restaurants after restaurants here. And this kind of reminds you of Las Vegas. I don't know if it's the Venetian that has the water show. That's basically what brings most of these people out here. You see just the number, you can see, you kind of have an idea of how many people are out here. I have no idea. I can't tell. Just lots of them. And guys, that's the Burj Khalifa right there. You see it? right there. We are outside Dubai Mall, just you know, waiting for the water show. I'm not sure if it's gonna happen tonight. It's supposed to happen every night, so we'll see if it actually does. So I can grab that for you guys. So here we go. Pretty impressive what they can do with light on the world's tallest building. Just amazing. So now I'm gonna leave. I'm a little bit tired, but there's just no way to see everything here in one shot. You have to come several times. So this is part one of my visit here, and if I can find my way out of here, then I'll be back another time, another day for part two of my visit here. So today was a pretty full day, so I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting me. I appreciate it. Please follow, subscribe, and hit that like button, and I really appreciate that. Thank you guys.
Keep moving, ma'am, keep moving, sir.
Guys, that's the line right there to get into the Apple store. I was waiting on there in this line for about an hour, only to be told that service is upstairs. So after waiting an hour, now I have to go upstairs. And upstairs, of course, there's nobody. Woo! When it rains, it pours, for real. Guys, you can see the water show. I'll try to grab that tomorrow from outside, but that's basically what's going on right now. So guys, rough lesson here for me, for all of those who have iPhones. I hope this does not happen to you. So my iPhone was full, even though I have 2 terabytes of iCloud storage. Since I left the United States, my phone did not back up. So as a result, my phone crashed today, and I was stuck on this screen, the Apple restart screen, for the last hour and a half. So I'm here at the Apple store after waiting 2 hours to get inside, and basically the guy told me the only way to get out of this situation is to completely delete the phone, and I refused to do that, and got into a little argument with him, because there's no way that's the only option. There's just no way. I refuse to believe that. So they decided to go ahead and bring me inside the store, and they brought up a Mac, and they told me they would try to basically back up my phone. So that's what's going on right now, and they said if it doesn't work, then they will have to delete the phone. So lesson here is, make sure you always back up your phone. If not, if you get stuck, that might be the only recourse. So basically that's what I'm waiting for right now, is for the phone to decide if it wants to actually work or not. But I don't have memory on the phone, even though I have memory on the cloud. It doesn't make any sense. I mean, I set up this phone to basically update every night, precisely so situations like this don't happen, but it still didn't work. So I'm sitting here, basically praying that this works, so that you know, I can use my phone again. Pray for me, guys.